Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to split cells diagonally in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. Launch your Microsoft Store, type in Excel and follow through the on-screen prompt to download Excel. After downloading it, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to split cells diagonally in Excel. I'm going to focus on the K and L columns for this tutorial. So here I have this list, paper 1 to final grade, and I have this list 58 to 70, and this list is already titled grade, but I want this column to be titled name/topic. How do I achieve the slash feature, or how do I get the slash feature? I can do that by using the split cell option in Excel. So how do I do that? Just select the cell that needs that splitting, and this is the cell that's K1. And head over to home. Here we have file, home, insert, drawer. Ensure it is set to home. And over here, go ahead and select the alignment. Look for the alignment category, and you have this dialog box right next to it. Click on it and it takes you over here where you have alignment, font, border, field protection. Click on border. Now you have two diagonal lines here. This is the first one. So uncheck that box and click on the next. This is how the next one looks like, but I'm going to use this one. Now select OK. Now the cell has been split. But we're not going to end here because I'm going to have to show you how to impute the data into the cell. Like I said, I want to use name/topic. So what do? I'm going to double click on the cell that has already been split, and I'm going to type in name. Now, if I just punch enter button, it's going to take me right to this next cell. But I want to use the enter feature within the same cell. So what do? I'm going to double click right into this name cell again. And instead of just going straight into enter, I'm going to use alt and enter. So alt and enter, and I'm going to type in topic. So over here, instead of leaving it like this, I'm going to have to give the necessary space so that once it splits, it's going to split properly. So this is how it's going to be, and I'm going to punch the enter button. Now you see it has been split. So now I have my name/topic, and that's pretty much exactly what I need. It's pretty much organized. So you can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.